Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, doing a review of the LEGO Ice Planet Set 6879, which is the Blizzard Baron. This is the build. As you can see, I have brought this second hand because I haven't got a box for it, but if I got the box for it, it would have cost me a lot more than I could justify paying. So sometimes you just have to sort of go with it. And these are the instructions. It doesn't actually have any alternative builds on it because this is from 1993, despite it being Ice Planet 2000. I think that was like their second or third go with Ice Planet, if memory serves me right. It was an extension of Lego Space, basically. And you have got the build itself is actually quite good. You have a little satellite slash base station here, which goes in the back, and it has an clear orange satellite dish with an aerial and stuff like that, and that's all in good condition. One incorrect piece there, but just for anyone who is watching who might actually know, who might spot that. But again, it does the job, and I think if memory serves me right, I never overly paid, try not to overly pay for anything, so I did alright on the price for that, and that goes in the back here. There's one slightly damaged white modified one brick headlight piece, but again you can't really see it. Even if you put it right up close to the camera, you can't see it. I've got to remember that bit doesn't move around. And that bit goes, and that's the canopy for the ship, which is quite cool. And you've got these little bits on here. These are nice. These little side bits on the ship, but they've done them white as well. So it goes with the Ice Planet theme. It's got a nice little control panel on there as well. And it's got the standard blue, white and clear orange look that lots of this Ice Planet stuff has. So I've always loved the colour scheme of this, and it comes with the figure, which does have the wrong legs on. I will acknowledge that now. I think there should be blue and black from the top, but unfortunately it didn't come with those. And again, it's not really the end of the world because it doesn't really, I don't think it overly affects the figure. If you were planning on buying it to sell it on, maybe, but if you just want the build and you want the figure and you want that, I don't really see a problem with it. It's still got the white, it's got the air tank. The body is in good. The body is still in good condition. It's got the visor bit on there. They use it on divers as well, and it's got the Ice Planet chainsaw, which they make. That is always a nice little piece. Put that on there for the chainsaw bit goes in the side there. The actual spare snowshoes go on the top here. So it's quite a good articulate little model, really. It's got a little utility control panel there, and it's got some little scanners on there as well. You can call them whatever you like. Then you've got thrusters on the back there. The figure, everything else. It has two swapped out pieces and 2 or 3 swapped out pieces and a one slight damaged brick. But again, you can't, if you put it at the right angle, you wouldn't really be able to overly tell anyway. If you just had it on display like that, it would look really cool. I think it's a lovely build, and it was retailing about $8 according to either Bricklink or Bricksite. It said about $8 back in the day, so that would have been £8-9 back in the day. I don't know what the exchange rates would have been back then, but I like this set. It's good. It's a good set, and the best thing is also in the bag. All right. This is the reason I'm not overly upset about the 2 other missing pieces. I have one of these, which is a bit from a Lego Street Sweeper. I think I have the driver from the Lego Street Sweeper, which is quite good. He's got his moustache. That's all I'm going to say on that, because otherwise I will upset somebody. And I have another black 2x1 or 2x4 base plate, which is really nice. Just to have the spare piece, just a couple of spare pieces which don't really fit with the build, but again, not really the end of the world really, because I've got some nice pieces here that and a couple and a spare Lego man as well, and a spare one of these as well. So all useful pieces to have. So especially as a Lego collector. So it's a good little build, the Blizzard Baron from Ice Planet 2000. Put that on the wrong way around. That goes on like that. I quite like this build. It is very nice. If you get a chance to get hold of it, and if you're like a Lego Space fan like I am, as I do say quite often, I would go for this set, because you could rebuild it in Lego Space colours as well. When you've got the instructions and you know what bits you need, you could kind of modify it out a little bit and do it in the grey and the just do it in straight grey or grey and blue or something like that. It would work really well. Or do M-Tron or Blacktron, or either. It either really works, but it does have the potential for rebuild. It has lots of play potential because that bit comes out the back as well. So that's the satellite station. Go and drop the satellite station off, and then go back to base. It's a good little build. It has lots of play value, and this character here probably wouldn't do a lot with it. But then again, that came with a set, so I can't really complain. So. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do feel free to like, share and subscribe. I am on YouTube, Instagram and Threads. If you do leave a like on YouTube, please, and you want a shout out, just leave a smiley face. Anything positive in the comments is always appreciated. Stay safe. Keep building, reach for the stars, don't get too cold, and hope to see you in an upcoming video. Thank you for watching.